from London, Ontario, Canada. I actually didn't find them, they found me. I found them on Facebook. I saw a comment of a girl who left a comment saying you have to visit, and then that's when I visited their page and I liked everything about them, and then I spoke to Yogi, and Yogi was very genuine. He was very genuine and he was very quick to respond, so I really liked that. And yeah, so the clinic and hospitals were actually very clean. I've done medical tourism in other countries, and this was by far the cleanest. So I was very happy with how organized the hospital was, and yeah. The transfer service in Istanbul is, I want to say, high-end. So I was really happy with the transfer service because there was really cool styles of transfer services, like the Mercedes, for example. It was like all lit up inside, so it was really nice. I love Istanbul, and I hope to buy an apartment here one day. So the results actually had me very emotional, and I was extremely happy with them, and I hope to love it even more as time goes on. The overall service was great, and I'm really happy. I definitely recommend them with anyone else.
Surgero, your surgery hero.